On the streets of India's nearest Muslim-majority neighbour, protests have erupted. Scenes repeated, but only more violent in northern India's Uttar Pradesh state, where dozens were arrested for rioting.
We demand our foreign ministry to summon the Indian ambassador and expel him until Modi apologises.
Nupur Sharma was until recently a spokesperson for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's ruling BJP party. In a TV debate last month, India's increasingly polarised religious landscape boiled over when Sharma made what's been described as derogatory remarks against the Islamic prophet Muhammad.
Merely suspending her from the party is not enough. She should be arrested, charged as a terrorist and put in jail.
The comments were backed up by Naveen Jindal, head of the party's Delhi media unit. He's since been expelled from the BJP while Sharma was suspended, but the remarks drew swift condemnation from Gulf nations. Qatar issued a statement labelling the remarks as Islamophobic, saying it may lead to further prejudice and marginalisation. Saudi Arabia describing the comments as insulting, adding the kingdom calls for respect for beliefs and religion. Pakistan's armed forces said the remarks were extremely hurtful and indicate an extreme level of hate against Muslims and other religions in India. The UAE, Indonesia, Jordan, Libya and Bahrain also joined the growing list of countries denouncing the comments. For her part, Nupur Sharma withdrew the remarks in a statement posted on Twitter.
If my words have caused discomfort, I hereby unconditionally withdraw my statement. It was never my intention to hurt anyone's religious feelings.
That did little to ease the fallout, with extremist groups including Al-Qaeda threatening suicide attacks in India. Religious tensions have risen since the BJP rose to power in 2014. This latest diplomatic scuffle opens a worrying next chapter. Tyson Whelan, ABC News.